This is the 6th Virtualization and Cloud Computing Summit that we've run in the UK. Virtualization and cloud is very, very of the moment, so there are certainly lots and lots of opportunities for people to attend events. I believe that what we have is something that is special. We're getting the right topic, we're getting the right speakers, the right vendors and the right delegates at the right place at the right time.
But fundamentally what we're looking for is increased reliability and lower costs, and therefore increasing efficiency, increasing productivity. And coming to the event today actually enables me to make some decisions about how I can actually improve that service and what the risks are about cloud computing and where we should actually be going in terms of technology base.
I've come to find out about cloud computing particularly. So we're reprovisioning our infrastructure at the moment across our enterprise, and one of the things we're looking at is the best way of buying that from a CapEx or OpEx point of view, and the best sort of service levels that we can get. And cloud computing is an industry term at the moment, so I'm here to learn more about that.
Yeah, interesting stuff. It's interesting to hear different opinions really, particularly from both sides, from the vendor side and supplier side, but also people actually working in the industry.
Very useful, very illuminating. Trend was incredibly interesting. The Intel gentleman about security issues on the BIOSes was incredibly interesting.
Been a good balance of other IT directors and professionals educating us on what they've done, which is always interesting to see. And also there's some good vendors here who are obviously market leaders who can talk to us about what services they have.
All these sessions, you get out what you put into the sessions. The only thing is it creates more work for me. Because it gets the brain going again. You think, right, I've got to take this. You've got to try and prioritise it. So it means I've got to write it up, try and get it on the hit list for the next quarter.
We've had a broad range of customers attending the event today, ranging from public sector, airports, local authorities, health organisations, plus financial services organisations. So we've actually had a really interesting range of customers attending.
It's very important for us to be able to communicate with the type of people you've got at this event so that they understand exactly where we are in terms of our capability, what we can offer, the value we can offer, and the type of unique solutions and benefits we can deliver. And this forum is giving us the opportunity to do that, both from the session we presented at, but also the informal conversations with people as they wander around.
I was delighted with the amount of engagement I got. So no, for a change it wasn't just me speaking, and we went away with some really useful information about what other organisations perceive their journey to the cloud to be, and where they are, and also what they expect to get out of moving towards the cloud.
We're in the middle of reprovisioning our infrastructure, so we're already in a process, through a tender process, to kind of pick a supplier. So the information that I've got today will help in terms of some of the suppliers we're looking at are here today, but equally just the general information will help our selection process as we consider that evaluation.
So I'm with my security advisor, and we're looking at different technologies, different vendors, and we'll be going away in the next few weeks actually looking at further conversations with those vendors to actually formulate a strategy to present to the board.
It's really about taking those customers, touching base with them, making sure we meet the objectives that they're looking for, and then follow that up with a series of programs that are available to help them really go ahead and move forward to the next level.
Well, we're looking forward to meeting and going through customer requirements in a lot more detail in the future. Obviously the conversations we've had today just give us an inkling about how we can help customers really accelerate their IT and move forward in their transformation. What we're finding is everybody is on that journey to their cloud, and it's just really about how far along that journey they've achieved.
We've been absolutely delighted with how things have gone over the last 2 days. We've had a fantastic selection of delegates from across the public sector and private sector, all at senior level. The response from our sponsors has been fantastic. The interaction that we've had, both in terms of peers talking together and of course with the vendors and the delegates, has been great. So everybody very tired but very, very happy.